What is nuclear energy? Nuclear energy is the energy released during nuclear fission or fusion, and this energy is used to generate electricity. Now, nuclear fusion and nuclear fission are just two different types of energy-releasing reactions. The main difference between these two processes is that fission is the splitting of an atom into two or more smaller ones, while fusion is the fusing of two or more smaller atoms into a larger one. Now, how does nuclear energy work? Well, a nuclear reactor produces electricity in much the same way other power plants do. But the difference between other power plants and a nuclear reactor is that heat is produced from splitting atoms, a process called nuclear fission. Now, how the nuclear reactor generates heat is that first, the nuclear reactor creates heat that is used to make steam. And this steam turns a turbine connected to an electromagnet called a generator. The generator then produces the electricity that we need. The advantages of nuclear energy would be that it's sustainable and inexhaustible. Also, the waste products would be very minimal. And nuclear energy is powerful and efficient. That's why a lot of countries are making huge investments in building nuclear reactors. But sadly, there are disadvantages. Disadvantages would be that people are scared of having nuclear accidents, like the Fukushima incident, which makes nuclear energy quite scary to some people, and that's why some people might not be accepting to building nuclear reactors or nuclear energy itself. Also, the cost of nuclear energy, or the cost of building a nuclear reactor, takes about 5 to 10 years, which will be like a very long period of time and a huge sum of money.
Created using Powtoon.